Hi again. In this video we continue to learn for continuous 4-axis milling in CÂNG. In the previous video I show how to use rotary machining operation, and right now we will look another way for machining. It is rotary machining toolpath. It is a very interesting, maybe very strange way. Use 2D contouring operation for continuous 4-axis machining. It is strange, but it is true. I create this kind of operation. So to make 2D contouring operation usable for the continuous 4-axis, we have to define base surface. To do it, choose job assignment and click base surface. After that I click any cylindrical part on my model. For example, I will use this part, yes, this cylinder, the bottom of the slot. Okay, so the base surface is defined. After that I can define the edges I would like come along. So before I would like also to define the tool. The radius of the fillet is about 9 millimeters, so I will define the tool equal and make the spherical mill, for example this one, and define the holder. Okay, the next step, let's look. Tool axis orientation mode must be normal to the base surface. We have the cylindrical surface as the base surface, so in our case we will have the 4-axis normal orientation. And the next step, I would like to enable the toolpath projection. If the toolpath projection is disabled, then the radius level will be constant, and it is defined by these parameters. If it is toolpath projection is enabled, then the radius level calculated by using the 3D model, and define the parameters. So the bottom level defines the distance to the base surface. It's very important. The top level is, so in our case the top level is 9 millimeters. It's the depth of our slot, and the safe plane, for example, 30 millimeters. Okay, and after that I can add the edges. So right now the faces and edges are highlighted. To highlight the edges only, I disable this button. So right now the edges only are highlighted. After that, make double click on the edge. In this case, all edges that connected smoothly are selected. So a lot of edges are added, and click curve to add the selected edges to the job assignment. The next step, click this one and maybe hold Ctrl to unselect this one and add it also. And the next step, click this one, and well, for this curve we need to define change. I would like to, for example, change the side of mailing. Okay, calculating the toolpath. Well, let's have a look on toolpath. Curve 1. Make toolpath visible. Go this way. Make the machine visible. And make speed slowly. Work is visible. Okay, another curve. Yes. The sequence of machining depends on the way how it is defined in our list. So I can take, for example, let's have a look at it. The first curve, this one, the second is this one, and the third, and this. It is better to what is it? I would like to remove this edge. Yes, it will be better. And this is not good. Okay. It is possible to take and move it, and take this one and move it also. Very good. And it is possible to change the sequence of the job items. One moment. This one. After that I would like second, and after that third. This will be third. Okay, recalculating the toolpath. Well, let's have a look at it. Not very good. Okay. Okay, we can play with it. So right now I can add another edges in the same operation. For example, this one. The depth of the slot is different for this curve, so I unselect these edges and add it. After that, edit. For the last stage, I would like to change the direction, right side. Okay, so the direction can be changed also. And the last edge, this one, do add this and this and this. Oops. Add this curve, change the direction, and the last edge, for example. Okay. And to machine another slot, and the changeable depth of the slot, I will use another operation with the same tool. Right now I calculate this one. It takes some time. Okay, toolpath is calculated. We can check in the simulation mode, preparing the workpiece after the first rotary machining operation. Very good. And the next step, play slowly. Yes, this one. I didn't change the direction of machining. We can play with it also. Well, and finally I would like to machine this slot, for example. Well, let's stop in this video. I recommend you to make it yourself. Thank you for your attention. Bye.